Hi there, this is just a quick message for all of the people who are using the COA. My name is Peter Spate, and I joined the COA a while ago with my partner Mary Cullen. I basically thought I was just buying into a program that would help me to build up my CRM, my database of people to contact. But actually I found out it's so much more. The technology, how to use the technology, the active campaign, the funnel marketing, all of that stuff was beyond my expectations. But even more so was the quality of the support and the quality of the training, and just the generosity of Ed and his team to help you to become more successful, and they're willing to teach you to sell. They're willing to teach you to work on your mindset. They're willing to teach you to push through the barriers that hold most of us back. And it's just been an amazing experience, and I'm really enjoying the journey. I'm so glad that I've been a part of it. And yeah, thank you, Ed, and all of your team for your fantastic system. Thanks a lot.